Welcome back to As E Dey Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when inside the world, Wazobia Max for UHF 57 and Wazobia TV for channel 98 on top of Go TV. If you dey watch us live, tell your loved ones, say they know they miss this Ogbonge program. Sake of say, this is not the program of the grassroots, and we give you license to talk your own inside the matter for the language when everybody understand. We get our Ogbonge barrister inside the studio, Anunkubi, and we dey discuss whether if you return money, you save. If you no return money, you save. As it take concern the war against corruption inside Obodo, Nigeria. A barrister, before we go that break, you've been hit something. And it just be like say we don't cross the level of say, okay, oh yeah, we don't establish all these cases. This person don't return. EFCC go look at bending the strength of the investigation. If he carry on prosecution, this person no return. And make them do what they will do to make sure say he suffer for the bad thing when he do. Now, if we can't carry the case, go court. The people will be say, now they have responsibility to look this matter. Because it's okay, this person you do bad. This person you no do bad, go free. You do bad, go answer your mama name. It can't be like say somehow.
Politics or somehow some football game they play, yeah.
Now you go answer them.
You know, now the willingness on the part of the government and judiciary.
Thank you. Now collaborative effort.
Because now everybody must work hand in hand, and everybody must be serious. Even our legislators.
And they talk here, who could be no degree.
Even our legislators saying everybody must be serious, and there must be this purposefulness. If you imagine, say, when they talk say budget miss. You know, it shows some on seriousness.
Budget miss.
Budget,
napping. Now, that napping, they don't get that for their own. Every individual is supposed to get access to them.
Not like 200, 2,000, I need piece.
Budget miss.
It just shows is the willingness, and it has to do with is individual and it's also collective. Yes.
So what thing we go do first now say, first and foremost, Oga President don't talk say he won't pursue corruption come up for this country. And all of us as Nigerians, you'll be mentioning something about victims. Now we they suffer this thing because money when they're supposed to use do this, do that, do this, they don't do it. And now we go come they suffer the back, I go speak English, the backlash at the end of the day. Now make we come break this one down now. Oga President don't talk you say, corruption, he won't make the pursue for Nigeria. All of us as Nigerians agree say corruption no good.
Yeah.
But Oga President go work with people that is pari passu, with people when go ensure. How you take things say you think say impossible, or we need somebody to come from heaven to come pinpoint the good people when go work with Oga President?
Nothing is possible. It will just take time, and because you have been used to the decay. You understand?
It don't become normal thing.
It don't become normal thing. Everybody they take bribe. If you go offices before you see, even for private institutions, sometimes they'll still collect money. Say if you want to see your guy, everything the rot is everywhere, even in the schools. People they bribe lecturers, people even primary school, secondary school. Parents go come bring gifts and promote my children.
Hey.
The thing don't spoil.
So as a matter of fact, even for the government. For the same government confine, that is inside that same government, we say we will get Oga Mohamed Buhari, we will get other people. Somehow, so we will talk say somehow. Now still some people will say they extend that we get monkey hand where the judiciary they define as a particular case. Will take go play out as whether go favor or make no favor or make it depending until they forget about them.
And sometimes in fairness to the judiciary is the strength of the case. Sometimes. Something where they see, because now something where they do matters where they inside news. If you see how journalists go report and sensationalize and sometimes, not be the real thing where they happen. And because this is our law and a very technical thing, one small mistake if you destroy a case. Like person now, you go kill person, maybe now person will not be when they speak English, you know if you write English. Police come force and come write then killer. Everybody knows na killer. They come force and write statement. You can't write statement. They write time for them in English. Write for there say na English. You write everything. Know how we court go sentence such a person, even though he actually kills. What the lawyer does need to do is to attack that statement. So sometimes now how the prosecution prepares the case. If you just do case anyhow, because if you when you are looking at the end, you have to start from the beginning. You have to lay that solid foundation so that you can a conviction can be guaranteed. But if you just do anyhow, just because you want you say you want to do on sharp, you want to do everything, you go spoil your case.
Oga, we get Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, don't take good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning. Mona not blame me. I traveled before.
No thanks, Oga Bobby. Welcome back.
Happy New Year, first of all.
We should say.
Anyway, what I want you to say, a very short thing. those who thief the money, somebody must answer for them. Nobody, it doesn't matter to drop money, then the case will just die. At least they need to answer for it, So others might learn from it. So, and not be a thing say, if you take, then you cash you, then you drop money, the case could
just die like that.
Die like that, At least somebody need to answer for it. At least one need to go life in prison, then the other one will go 10 years, 20 years like that. So at least we need to adjust our system of the law.
Maybe one short person at Asuki.
So
I be the emanator, I the sheriff.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your contribution, and thank you, sir. You still keep faith with us even after you travel. You took part for inside this our discussion. We get Oga Emmanuel all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Emmanuel, welcome to our city hut.
Thank you, God.
Good morning, Emmanuel.
I greet you.
We greet you too.
Yes, sir. Say, I think all of us, be small picking. They for nursery school. You understand me? Then share money as in a day, so even if your mother carry money just come give you, the money must come from somewhere.
Exactly.
The money must come from, you must know, say, yes, so
this money come from somewhere.
So we not be small picking. We be say they don't know where the money come from. Even the one we talk say NSA give her money, maybe they buy house. They collect money from her before. So we not be small picking. No, we be deceive ourselves.
They collect money from your hand before?
You go down they collect now.
Okay. It's now matter of evidence be that. No be just something you say.
So if we don't they pray for God for our own life. Thank God. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel.
Okay, Emmanuel, thank you very much for that your
contribution.
important contribution. Barrister, he talk something. He talk say, if we check am, just like you don't talk before, say, we get money when go come from somewhere. You say go still reason am say, this money no come from finance minister. It no come from central bank. Wetin concern national security adviser with plenty money like this. And he can't make mention, but e good as you take as person when we say lawyer, you sabi the book where you don't tell am say na matter of evidence, no be just talk when person talk. From Ikorodu, we go enter Aja. Collect this call from Oga David. Oga David, welcome to our city hut.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, David.
Yeah, sir, I'm calling for the first time.
You are welcome, Oga
welcome,
David.
Concerning this issue, trying to stop corruption with this issue of returning money yourself, don't return yourself. The youth are watching. And when you start moving like this, okay, let's take instance. If all those people that are doing fraud end up returning the money they stole, how do we stop corruption? If anybody steal money, even you return the money, you need to face punishment. So that others learn from that. And okay, if you return money and you're safe, that means others will say, okay, let me steal. If they catch me and return it. We are not solving issue continue like this. We need to punish anybody that is caught. Thank you.
Oga David, thank you very much for your contribution. But we go like emphasize, say, now question we ask, no be statement. Say if you return money, you save.
You're not sure
if you don't return money, you save.
You're not sure, nothing sure for you.
No be certainty. Temitope, they call us all the way from Shomolu. Temitope, welcome to our city hut.
Good morning, Oga Shikudi.
Good morning, Temitope.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
And I greet the lawyer who is for us.
Yes,
this matter with the for ground, this issue of $2.1 billion
dollars.
$1 billion arms deal. Na serious matter. And the way I take look at this thing, so Metu, they for the detention now. And the Buhari is associate, and state and arrest. He don't return about 100 million naira. He remain about maybe 70 million. Am I right? 170 million.
Remain like 70, yeah.
Return. Then to say he no go return the money. That him collect for a certain work.
A purpose, yes. Saying a private something.
The case waiting for ground for the next. They say he collect the money na part of the 2.1 billion naira where they find. But people don't shout, say, make we follow the rule of law, make we follow the rule of law. And it could be like, say, maybe this government no one follow the rule of law where they expect to uphold. The way I just look at it, we say, maybe this government, for now, where we get our judiciary, just somehow, take them to court and just give them light penalty, then go. Make them carry me to go court. make court, I believe they collect bail now, like the case of IT man. He paid 200 million naira for himself, and the shorties stand for him. They will collect money for shorties. From there, maybe they get around half of the money. And the case continue, and they find them guilty. The money they have to pay for your bail, that one is done. You go return the money fully if no one pay the money now. And the Oga Buhari must take this matter to the house. So we amend our law that they can actually detain people for a long time. This case of a corruption case. But as it is now, there's no bill like that. And the bill like this is
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. It is very, very evident. Say you are passionate about this country and about this particular topic. From Temitope, we go Owerri. Collect this call from Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Yes. I want to ask Barrister 2 questions before I go make my little submission.
Okay.
Barrister, at what time, at what stage of prosecution does play bargain comes in? Is it from the angle of investigation or in the law court? That is one. 2, you see, this matter, is it not better this matter moves to court so that we will now get to understand the true position of this matter? Because once the prosecution starts, the defense will not arm themselves with their own information. So Nigerians will understand the clearer picture of what really transpired. Because I know the Office of the National Security Advisor, just like the state governors have their own security advisors, there are monies meant for security issues, and they run into millions in the case of states. And this money, like you and I know, this is politics. A lot of things can come in. The governor cannot come and share money. It goes through some people. The president cannot come up and share money. So let us understand this matter, let it go to court so the Nigerians will understand the sincerity. Everybody is against corruption, including myself. But let us stop treating this matter as if, like you're saying now, bring money, you go, or bring money, you will stay.
Now, question, Oga Chukwudi.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much. You hear what Oga Chukwudi talk?
Yes. On the issue of plea bargaining is not just in court. As in, it's not the final stage of plea bargaining is in court, but it starts from investigation.
Okay.
You go still go court anyway we like it. And say you plea bargain, no mean say you no go chop something. You go chop. But if people say because you know disturb us, you know allow us too much. You know say as our judiciary be, some cases it go last 5 years. Some it go last 10 years. Sometimes the money where you go take do the case, you don't pass the money where they chase. You understand? Some of these things are economic decisions. Really. It's not as if I am supporting or I'm against plea bargaining. I'm just stating what is there in the law. Somebody said the other time that for corruption cases that they should increase the time with which this thing is risky. Because now we are in a dispensation. Somebody can just come and say, Nkubi, you do this. You did corruption. You embezzled money at so place. Now we arrest you. And you know you are not guilty. They have just called a dog a bargain so as to hang him.
Barrister,
you understand? So we
go hold that call so that you go take the second question when he asks about how soon the person is supposed to go court. When we collect this call from Oga Bello, calling us all the way from Ikeja. Oga Bello, welcome to Aside Hot.
Welcome, Oga Chukwudi. How are you now?
We did fine, Oga Bello.
Okay, I'm Barrister in the house. How are you?
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
I'm fine.
You see, my own contribution is that what on?
Right on.
Okay. What I expect government to do is that you see one of these people that stole Nigerian money. Hello, are you with me?
Yeah, right on.
What I want government to do is that in our judiciary, let the judge there make somebody as a scapegoat. You understand me? For example, let somebody go at least 10 years imprisonment or 5 years imprisonment. Since all this while they have been stealing Nigerian money, I've never heard when they send somebody to jail before. And which is not like that.
Except people who are not powerful, poor people, like the court registrar. Who back them?
Go on. Continue.
Judges have to settle somebody to jail at least 10 years or 5 years imprisonment. But all this while they have been stealing Nigerian money, there's nobody go to jail. It's not done anywhere like that. That means that they have taken you see, somebody will take advantage of this country. They just stole money and they went away like that, just feel like that, without anything. They believe that something will happen at the end. The only thing we will hear is that money, they stole money, and they will go to do this. At the end of the day, there's nothing done. At least they have to send somebody to jail. At least 10 years, 5 years, according to what they did.
Oga Bello, thank you very, very much for that contribution. And and also our barrister in the house also here waiting you go talk. You go also address them. Oga Samali, they call us from Ojodu. Good morning, Samali. Samali, they there? Glad we don't lose them. Okay, Oga Ahmed, you don't hear if they talk something before before that call enter about about the judiciary. I know the judiciary they look into.
The judiciary.
Okay, say wait me that face of the other second face of
about the plea
bargaining matter.
When he talk say which now before as the investigation they go on,
it starts they build it up from the investigation. If person as they cooperate for investigation, they say, okay, you steal money, you say steal. They don't force them because it must be without undue influence.
Without duress.
Yeah, duress or undue influence. You understand? Say you steal them, I steal them. You go return them, I go return them. They cooperate like that. So then they beat them case. Because the lawyer if he be the lawyer, if he be the victim, go to say, I be the accused, go to say, I beg, I won't play bargain.
Okay.
I want them treat me softly. I go cooperate. Everything where you want, I go do.
But should have the right of the accused to come they decide how they want to treat them. I been the law we don't they stated say look this person see with the thing where he commit. Make we address the law.
It is not compulsory for the prosecution to accept a plea bargain.
Okay.
The constitution can insist that you must go to trial. Nothing.
Okay, I beg, you go still hold on that talk. Make you collect this call. Oga Samali, they call us back. Good morning, Samali.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Uncle B and Chukudi.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I know they call back. A different person again.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Samali, good morning. I like my
Good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Barrister.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, about this hot topic today, from my own side, I believe they're supposed to treat them like armed robbers. Yes, because of them, so many people die.
Yes.
For Northeast because of this Boko Haram. So they're supposed to treat them like armed robbers. Apart from collecting this money, make them go on firing squad. Now my own opinion.
Oga Samara, this is your if you be the judge or you be this is your action they strong.
But we thank you for that your important contribution and even though your own opinion.
You
get constitution where they guide us.
But yes, it's true. But I said it earlier. Now when you look at the effect, the spiral effect from the money where they steal, you know 1,000 people will die.
Not true.
You know people where you understand. You know people where even don't even turn armed robbers because of the money where they steal.
Not true.
You understand? So if to say the law, it get as it go, they're supposed to fear Adam, but our law.
Okay, Barrister, make I ask you this question before maybe we can't go one break now. Make we just talk this thing now. Now, the way when our laws dey now, you think say whether person talk say okay or plea bargain or whether person go court from start to the finish, you think say these our laws really they strong enough to punish or maybe make I start with say he help person when be say in hand they clean or he punish person when be say he do bad thing. You think that these our laws they're strong enough for that one? And we will go start again from the scratch to strengthen the laws when go make them difficult because if person look say I can go by the way of plea bargain, make I collect the money. If I plea bargain instead of 2 years, then give me 2 months and the case don't drag for a while, I fit go house. You think say our laws they're strong enough to make them dey like that? But before you answer that question, no vex, we go collect this call. They call us from Ikoyi no too far. Make it no be like say we collect far one, can't ignore them. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot, Mohammed.
Hello?
Mohammed, good morning.
I'm listening.
Yeah, right on. They hear you. Continue.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You guys are doing good job there.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Actually, my contribution is that Nigerians and waiting they go on for this country. We are all Nigerians, quite all right. But we know the truth of what is going on here. You and I know how those people who have family there, who died, in respect of this same money we are talking of. If you and I have a family there, or even if it's not your family, you know somebody who is closer to you that has a family there, lost life then because of this issue of this money. In fact, those people, they deserve not even go to court. They deserve to be stoned dead. Because life, where you see, is so precious. Now, God give us life now. He did not tell us to come and intimidate ourselves in this life.
But see wetin leaders they do. Ordinary poor man will still only 15 naira. They will languish that person. Maybe he will spend 90 years in prison. Look at these big. The same Nigerians today are complaining. Why not leave them? Why not that? We ourselves are a problem of ourselves.
Definitely.
Barrister,
I get it.
we all know the truth of what is going on in this life. But let us just continue praying for our leaders then, because those who have good intent to do good things, it's still the same Nigerians that are bringing them back. So how will they succeed in bringing these people into justice if we did not stand with our own legs firmly?
Mohammed, thank you very much for your important contribution. We don't get you don't salute our Ogbonge lawyer when they inside studio with us today. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll give our barrister the opportunity to address all of the questions when we say they don't raise inside their own contribution before we wrap up the show. No go anywhere, now still as it is hot. Welcome back to Asidi Hall. From where we stand now, the final bus stop, now we dey see. So all our people went call to contribute. We appreciate you now. We go carry all our question now, drop am for the front of our lawyer, and then go chook mouth inside and answer everything one by one. Barrister, one of the major questions when come out from wetin everybody asks here and say, we must hold people accountable. You see instances of say person take 50 naira, they carry and go court, or then do something to ram. And person go take big money, then the case go come be one way we say, even people go swash or go court, carry placard, they say we no go agree. How you take things say we go fit make people accountable?
I think we don't have problem with our laws, at least to a very large extent.
I don't talk Munkubi no
so
agree.
you know say person talk say na one Nestle oga for one conference where I go, now he talk say Nigeria na over legislated country and under governed. Our problem na governance. Our problem now actually application of the law.
The law,
like this law where they on ground already. Like this Administration of Criminal Justice Act make a lot of innovations in our law. They just passed in 2015. Like for instance, one of the innovations I say, no party fee get more than 2 adjournments in a case. Say I know
more than 2 adjournments.
My head they pay me, you get one, judge give you. You can't come the another. I they see something they give you. The third you know if you get them again. You understand?
What then happens if, for instance, with this one we talk now, what will happen if maybe a judge come probably violate this law? Violate them. The judge said go get.
Is the basis for petition. You understand? The parties, any of the parties in the case can petition the judge. You understand? Okay. And petition the NJC, and the judge can be sanctioned if he's found culpable.
Okay.
Yes. So the thing we say our laws now. Now, still something we work with. You understand? But it's the willingness of those in charge to really take charge. You understand?
Barrister, okay, maybe we can ask the second one now. We don't ask, say, okay, these are our laws now. You don't talk and say, one or gapata when sabi things where we as it take concern this country, talk and say, if now law, our country get plenty. But now the way we take the apply them, now it be the particular issue. Yeah. Now, maybe we can break this one down now. You don't already talk and say, it gets some cases, they don't already talk, they don't spell them out according to the Administration of Criminal Justice Act. Say, you must not get past 2 adjournments. So, it's possible for us to put timeline. Say, make we come and talk, say, not be we, because I understand. The people when they there come and talk, say, by maybe June of 2016 or December of 2016, everything when concern this particular matter, make we don't know, say we don't forget them. Those when return, don't return. Those when go suffer punishment, don't suffer. Those when say apply by again, don't go, so that we go move forward.
The law makes similar provision. The law might have not placed a definite timeline like 180 days, but the law says that the court cannot adjourn a case. For instance, a case comes up today, it cannot adjourn for more than 2 weeks. You understand? But if you go court normally, the thing we say, if your matter come up for January, they feel adjourn until June.
Now so
you understand? So that one they delay case already.
But you don't stop now.
You don't stop. It stops. You go start in small. I know that many of the judges have started. It's not easy to get on board immediately, but I know that many of the judges have started because it's a basis for petition. If they don't follow it, a party can petition. Yes.
So, Barrister, make we just, I want make you give us.
Yes.
I believe, because I'm a patriotic. If I even want all this show, everybody know who to speak the truth for Nigeria.
Go sit down. George, give us your final take.
Why you call am George? Him be Johnny. Why you call am George?
I know be
You don't put forward one. Oga Ahmed, give us your final take,
Okay, Barrister.
on this particular issue generally, because we don't see the whole issue play out, and we don't see how far the drama on top of this matter they play out. Okay, wait till be that way you go put down. At least make it give Nigerians that sense of confidence. Okay, okay, make we at least they relax. See this matter or this matter. Make it see how we will probably see the end.
My view or my final word on this is that everybody must work hard and must be willing to bring this country forward. Be it the prosecution, be it the defense, be it the government, the police, and everybody that has to do with the application of criminal justice. We must be willing to move this Nigeria forward. The laws are there. We must be willing to implement the laws. And also, the government in its fight against corruption and the likes must also be careful not to work, because that's one issue we have not really addressed. We must not work against the rule of law, which he has sworn to uphold.
Abide by.
You understand? So, because when a court gives an order and the government flouts it, it doesn't speak well. It doesn't speak well. It doesn't speak well. So I think we must be able to get, because now it is somebody, it might be another person. So any victim or any accused person is innocent until proven guilty.
Barrister, you don't finish talk for this particular matter, and we no go even come dey overstretch am. You don't talk am exactly the way when the team be say those wey be say they involved for this particular issue, so that they go fit win back the confidence and trust of Nigerians. They must do wetin dey right. We go thank you say you carry waka come inside our studio at short notice, even though the invitation no too tey. We go shake your hand because you don't do well on top of the Ogbonge program. Our Nigerian people when dey for house, those when call in to contribute, we appreciate una. Those when try to call in but the thing no connect, sake of say our lines they be hot cake. Make una no tire, make una continue to dey talk. This country belong to all of us, and na the contribution when all of us go make, no matter how small the thing dey. Those when we say we don't give the power to lead us, go do wetin dey right to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another Ogbonge topic where they come up plenty smoke. Nkubi.
Yes, from me, we be Nkubi, I go say una bye-bye till tomorrow we go come.
I go throw something to you, say from you we be Nkubi.
Nah, so now.
Why you don't tell the Baba on behalf of all of us?
No, you said your own.
You don't say, Nkubi.
Please, don't.
They will investigate.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry